Hi guys, it's Asif, and for my first video, I wanted to bring you guys along on my journey to being funded. It's been 3 years that I'm trading, and currently it's my third year. It already has been like around 2 years that I'm on the market. I already took challenges before. I passed a couple of them, failed a couple of them, but I always ended up losing them. I think it was probably because of how I was treating the accounts. I made some change on my trading plan, and hopefully this time it's going to be different. I wanted to bring you guys along with me. I really wanted to document this whole process, whether I pass it or I lose it, because I know a lot of you guys are going through the same thing as me, and hopefully you guys are able to take something from this video and implement it on your trading, or even not making the same mistake as I did or I do. It's probably going to be a good help for your trading journey. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to get the challenge now, and after getting the challenge, today we're Sunday, so I'm going to trade from Monday to Friday from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. So that's New York Open. That's going to be one of my rules. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Yep, so I just bought the account, so we're gonna be able to trade tomorrow morning, and see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, we're currently in a trade. um if you guys can see, we're currently in EU. That's the first trade on the account. Let's see what happened. Okay guys, so we were able to hit our TP. It was a very nice move. It's only 8:51 right now. So I might look for other trade. It's possible I just don't trade anymore for the day. Big 3% profit today, so that's good. I'll show you guys. So one, so basically what I did is that my entry was over here. Once it hit that level, I decided to basically took out half of my lot size. Once I took out half over here, we were at 2-1, and then it went to hit our 4-1. Since I removed half of the lot size here, when I hit TP, it was 3-1 total. So that's what we did. I don't think we're gonna take any more trade for today, but if I do, I'll keep you guys updated. Okay guys, so it's currently Tuesday morning. We're currently 7:30 a.m. New York session's gonna open in 30 minutes. So right now I'm just looking at the charts. I'm trying to see the overall trend for today, trying to see what can happen today. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on what's happening. For yesterday, I finally decided to take only one trade, so the trade I showed you guys, and that's it. So right now I'm up about 3% on the account. Okay guys, so for the second trade of the challenge, we just entered right now. It's still on EU, so we're currently up about like $200. Hopefully if that goes to TP, it's a 5-1. That would be nice. We'll just see, and I'll keep you guys updated. So unfortunately on this trade I got taken out. Now we're down about 1% for the day. It's fine. We're gonna wait to see if we can find any other opportunities for the day. If not, that's gonna be all for today, but I'll keep you guys updated. I took 2 other trades on gold, which resulted in a loss too. I'll show you guys basically what I did and why I lost those trades. What I saw is that on the 15-minute time frame, we had a supply zone, and it came into the supply zone, rejected the zone. I took a trade over here right after it rejected. My stop loss was around here. And what I did is that I went down to the 5-minute time frame and I saw an opportunity to come here and enter on that supply zone that has been created on the 5-minute time frame, and it came back up and I entered here again for another position, which I shouldn't have done just because it was my second trade of the day and I decided to enter here. I was gonna close that one on the bottom, but right after that it just burst through my SL. I was out. What I learned from this trade is that I already had a good entry. It's not a good entry, but I was already in the trade, I mean, and the fact that I decided to take another entry while it's my second trade of the day, that was what basically caused the 2% loss on one single trade, and I ended up losing 3% on the whole day. So I'll show you guys a little bit about what's happening on the account. So you guys can see yesterday we won about 3%, and today we took 3 trades, which I'm not happy of because I said I'm gonna trade only 2 trades per day. Ended up taking 3 position, so not great, but I'll make sure that I remember that for my next upcoming days, just because I need to stick to my rules, otherwise stuff like this happens. I'll show you also on the FTMO page. Right now we're up only $150, and you guys can see that was the trade from yesterday and that was the trade from today. That you can just skip it. I was just testing the account, see if everything works. But yeah, it is what it is. I took the loss for today, learn from my losing trade, and that's what's important. It's to learn what you did wrong and make sure to not repeat that again. So for the first one, EU, I know why I lost. It's because I got impatient and decided to enter on a trade. And for gold, I basically took 2 entry where I was not supposed to, and it resulted in a loss. So what I'm gonna do now is that I already called it a day. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow morning. Hopefully it's gonna be a good day of trading tomorrow. But for today, we lost 3% of the profit that we made yesterday. And yeah. Hi guys, we're currently Wednesday morning. I woke up a few minutes ago, and what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna try to take a look on the markets and see if we can find any trend for today and see what pairs are the best ones to trade today. So I'm gonna do that right now and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so I just looked at a couple of pairs. I think for today we're gonna try to trade EU and maybe gold. So I'm currently looking at them. Okay, so I just took a trade on gold. I took the trade with 1% of the initial balance. We're just gonna let it play it out. We're gonna see what happens with the trade, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so unfortunately we lost the trade. It happens, it is what it is. I lost 1%. Now I'm currently down 1% on the account. I'm gonna try to see if I can find any other trade for today. Otherwise, that's gonna be all for today. I'm not gonna try to force any trade. I'll just watch and see what happens with the market. I was looking at EU too, but it didn't really give me any opportunities yet. So I'm not gonna rush on anything. I took the lesson from yesterday. I'm gonna wait for an entry, and then if I have the entry that I want the perfect setup, then I'm gonna take the trade. Otherwise, I'm not gonna force any trade, and we'll try to see what's gonna happen. So yeah, let's see. And if I take another trade, I'll be back and I'll come back and tell you guys. Okay, so I just took a new trade on EU. I took some buys, but it's a really small scalp. So if it comes to our TP, we're gonna make that 1% back that we lost today. Otherwise, we're gonna lose another percent. So we'll try to see how it plays out, and if basically it plays out good, we're just gonna come back break even on the account. I'll put the screenshot on the screen when I take the trade. Okay, so on the trade that I took, I came back break even. So we're currently still down 1%. I just hit break even, so I didn't lose anything, didn't win anything, but I'll just call it a day. I don't want to take any more trade. It's my second trade of the day. Plus, I don't really see any other setups, and I want to stick to my rules and not over trade. So I'll really stop here for the day, and I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so we're currently Thursday morning. It's currently 8 o'clock in the morning, so New York just opened. I'm currently looking at the market and I'm trying to see if I can find any setups for today. Hopefully today it's gonna be a good day. We're currently down 1% on the account, so I just need to make sure that I stick to my plan and I know that everything's gonna be all right. So when I take a trade, or if I take a trade, I'm gonna come back to you guys and I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so I'm currently in AUD USD. I just took a small scalp for a buy, and then my bigger trade, it's probably gonna be a sell. So I'm trying to see if we're gonna be able to make that one. If we are, it's gonna be around a 2 to 1. We're currently at break even right now, so let's see how this trade plays out. Unfortunately, that trade I lost 1%. Basically, we were good. It was going well, but the 30-minute candle just opened and just smashed through my SL. So it is what it is. I lost that trade. I'm gonna put it on my sheets and we'll try to see if we can find any other setups. Otherwise, that's gonna be all for today. Okay, so we just entered on our second position of the day. So you guys can see I entered on GU, and we're gonna let it play it out and see what happens. Okay, so we just got taken out from the GU trade 2. So right now our account is currently at 96.74. Yeah, so you guys can see we're currently down around 3.3%. Okay, so we are finished for the day. So today was Thursday. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm currently in a losing streak. It happens to the best traders. It is what it is. I just need to make some few adjustments just to make sure that it doesn't happen next week. But currently I'm down 3.3% on the account. So not gonna lie to you guys, it's kind of rough right now, but I'm sure that we're gonna be able to bring that back up. We just need to stick to the plan and make sure that we don't deviate from the plan and stick to 1% per trade, and I'm sure we're gonna get there. So might take a little bit of time, but we will get there at the end. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. It's gonna be Friday, so it's gonna be the last day of the week. If we're able, we're gonna try to get a win. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, we're currently Friday morning, and I'm looking at the charts right now, and I'm able to see that I might take a trade on EU. So what I'm gonna do is that I'll execute the trade if it happens, and then I'll keep you guys updated. Okay guys, so we just entered on a trade. It's on EU. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Let's see what happened. Okay, so we ended up losing that trade. So I'll see if I have any re-entries. Otherwise, that's gonna be all for today. I just entered on another trade, so let's see what happens. Okay, so I just got taken out. I decided to move my stop loss after. I moved it to 188 and I just got stopped out. So I lost the second trade, plus since I moved my stop loss above this zone, basically it took me out more than 1%. So I think I'm just gonna call it a day and call it here. Okay guys, so we just ended our trading day today. Ended up losing 2 trade, unfortunately. So for the first trade, we lost about 1.1%, just because with the spread, with a little bit of slippage and with commissions, we lost about 1.1%. And for the second trade, what happened is that I took the trade, and while I was on the trade, I basically moved my SL, because at first I didn't really put my SL at the good place. So for the second trade, when I moved my SL and lost the trade, it ended up costing a little bit more than 1%. So I ended up closing the day at minus 1.7. So for the day, I'm currently down 2.8%. And I just called it a day. So I'm not going to trade anymore for today. That's going to be all. So yeah, I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's kind of rough right now. I ended up the week with minus 6%. So started off good, ended up pretty bad. But I'll make some adjustment on my trading plan for next week to make sure that we don't blow the account. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna see you guys probably next week. If you like the video, subscribe, like the video, comment down if you have any questions, and yeah, take care guys.